As-salamu alaykum everyone. Have you ever wondered that is Ghibli art haram? Ghibli style art has gained massive popularity with people transforming their photos into anime style portraits. But as Muslims, we need to ask, is it halal? Does it change Allah's creation? And are there any hidden angels behind it? Let's break it down. What is Ghibli art? Ghibli art is a unique animation style inspired by Studio Ghibli's famous movies. It gives a soft, dreamy look to characters, often exaggerating their eyes and expressions. Many apps now allow users to turn their real photos into Ghibli style versions with a single click. So, how does it work? These apps use AI to analyze your face and modify it into Ghibli style version. They adjust facial features, change proportions, and sometimes even remove details to fit the animation style. While it seems fun, this raises to an important question in Islam. Is it haram? Islam teaches that altering Allah's creations unnaturally is haram. If Ghibli art completely changes a person's face into animation or some sort of cartoon, modifying the features Allah has given, it falls under imitating creation, which scholars warn against. However, if it's just for fun without extreme modifications, opinions may differ. Security concerns. Beyond the halal haram debate, there's another issue privacy. Many AI art apps collect and store data. Your face could be used for unknown purposes like AI training or even sold to third parties. Always check the permissions before using such apps. In conclusion, Ghibli art may seem harmless, but from an Islamic and security perspective, it's not that simple. Modifying Allah's creation and giving away personal data can have risks. So, before jumping into trends, ask yourself, is it really worth it? Thanks for watching this video. If you found this insightful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll make sure that they'll all get the tickets. Until next time, As-salamu alaykum.